Is your GTA 6 crashing right in the middle of a massive heist? Do not let these technical glitches ruin your trip to Leonida. You are watching TechVibes, and we are going to get your game stabilized right now. Most crashes in a massive open world like GTA 6 happen because the console is struggling to manage memory or hitting a thermal limit during intense rendering. Step 1 is to clear your console system cache. Completely power down your PS5 and unplug the power cord for 30 seconds. This flushes the temporary memory that can become bloated after long gaming sessions. Step 2 is to rebuild your PS5 database. Hold the power button on your console until you hear a second beep to enter safe mode. Select option 5 to rebuild the database, which organizes your files for faster and more stable access. Step 3 is to turn off your console rest mode. Many users have reported that GTA 6 crashes more frequently when the game is suspended rather than closed. Always close the game application fully before putting your console to sleep. Step 4 is to check your internal storage space. GTA 6 is a massive game and needs at least 50 gigabytes of free space for temporary swap files. If your SSD is nearly full, the system will struggle and eventually crash the game. Step 5 is to adjust your graphics settings to performance mode. Ray tracing and high fidelity modes put a massive strain on the hardware. Switching to a stable 60 frames per second reduces the heat and power draw, which prevents crashes. Step 6 is to restore your game licenses. Go to your account settings and select the option to restore licenses. This ensures the digital rights of the game and its updates are correctly recognized by the PS5 operating system. Step 7 is to update your system DNS settings. Manually enter DNS 8.8.8.8 for your primary server. A stable connection to the Rockstar servers prevents network timeouts that can often look like a software crash. Step 8 is to disable the HDCP setting. This copy protection can sometimes cause a handshake error over your HDMI 2.1 connection. Turning this off can stop the screen from flickering or the console from freezing during high action scenes. Step 9 is to check your internet band. If you are using 2.4 GHz, you might experience data packet loss. Switch to 5 GHz or use a wired LAN cable to ensure the game stays synced with the social club servers. Step 10 is to perform a clean reinstall of the game. If the crashing persists, a file might have been corrupted during the initial download. Delete the game and download it fresh to ensure every bit is in the right place. Here's a bonus tip for you. Check your console's physical placement. GTA 6 pushes the PS5 to its absolute limit and generates a lot of heat. Make sure your console is in an open area with plenty of airflow to prevent thermal shutdowns. If you are still facing any difficulty, please leave a comment below. I will be checking the feed and I will try to reply to you within 1 hour. Make sure to like and share this video and subscribe to TechVibes for more expert gaming fixes. You are officially ready to get back to the streets of Vice City.